Hey team, it's Russ. Wanted to share an issue I'm having in my lawn, which a lot of you guys probably are with all the heat. Maybe the video's a little late, I don't know, but I thought I would only share things that are more interesting this season. And to let you know, I mean, it's 94 degrees out here today in New Jersey. And as you guys can see, I'm experiencing a little burnout area in my lawn here. It is not fungus. I have treated, done preventive fungicide. As you can see, as I get more into the shaded area, the lawn looks much better in the back. I do irrigate, but part of the problem in that problem area, as you guys can see, is that tray. And it has roots, and we know the roots come out into the lawn. So what I'm going to do today is use some root moisturizer. It's a Bare product. I'm going to show it on the screen as I'm discussing. There are other comparable products you can get. You can get Aerate, which I'll list in the show notes. I've used that and maybe link to a video. And what I'm going to do is hit this area with the root moisturizer. The key here, and we'll review the ingredients, is it's a surfactant. It's going to break surface tension in the soil and allow the water to penetrate better. I think what I'm also having a problem with, though, is competing with this tree and the roots. So the product I'll be using today is Bio Advanced Lawn Root Moisturizer. This particular bottle can treat up to 5,000 square feet, which is approximately half of my property, but I'm just going to treat the problem areas today. All right, team, so if we inspect the rear label here, how it works. Lawn Root Moisturizer reduces watering turf grass by 50%. It's kid and pet friendly, increases high heat, drought tolerance, slows water loss from soil and roots. It's a hygroscopic and humectic components attached to lawn roots, drawing water vapor from the soil, converts that vapor into water droplets. Okay. As you may be able to see on the camera, it does look a little soapy coming out. So I'm going to treat this burned out area heavily. And then I will irrigate 1/4 to 1/2 inch. So my curb is looking good this season. Since I corrected my irrigation issues out here. However, 94 degree heat, the skin a little bit crispy. So this is a good place to apply some lawn root moisturizer. So what we're going to do is going to order this in. I'm going to give it a couple days with my regular irrigation schedule, and we're going to see if we see any mitigation of these dry spots. Again, I'm competing with this tray. It's always been a problem back here, especially when we get the high summer heat. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think works best. If anyone's just doing a simple like Dawn soap surfactant, a particular brand that you think is grass safe and you've used before, please leave a comment and I'll pin it, because that's another solution for other folks who are having this problem and maybe want to, try to go more economical and just go to the store and buy a container of soap, put it in a sprayer and get it down. All right, so let's take a look at the results. Hey team, it's Russ. So we are 2 weeks out. As you can see, the areas I treated with the root moisturizer slowly coming back, starting to fill in. I have grass coming back in. I had this problem last year, so probably in a few more weeks, if I keep running irrigation, I'll continue to get my full coverage green right here. So, I mean, these are things you can do. There's other products you can do in addition to root moisturizer. I have used some of the Green County fertilizer products in the past. I'll link to that. Other things you can do. I'll pop one of those videos on here at the end of this. So let me know what you guys do. I hope you guys are getting your lawn prepared for the fall. That'll be coming soon. And we'll see you soon on lawn journeys. Get out there and get it done.